Good morning vlog. Today's a new day. It's Sunday and I'm about to make John and I a smoothie for breakfast. And today we are actually going to the Highline. So I'm going to bring you guys along for today's adventures. It's so nice out. It's a little chilly, but I'll just show you guys what we're up to. I know you're somewhere. Alright guys, so we just finished brunch at Lafayette and the food was so good. The fondue, like, what was it? What was the type of food?
It was like Gruyere and Swiss, just 10
and they had bread and meat and pickles and apples. It was just so good.
A whole spread.
I got the salmon, she got the burger and fries, and everything was just cooked to perfection. Highly recommend for a brunch spot.
Incredible. One of my favorite brunches in New York, Def.
Yeah, that was really good. But now, as you can see, it's 3:30 and the sun is going down. So welcome to New York City in the winter. Yes. We're heading to Starbucks. We're gonna meet up with Alexa and Becca, and then we're gonna just go hang out at our apartment and make some vision boards for 2021.
Yes.
Alright, now I'm going to get a manicure and pedicure because I want to have my nails done for Tulum. As I mentioned, I'm going in a few days. So I'm on my way there, and then I might return the pants I got from Brandy Melville because they're falling apart a little bit, like the strings are coming off, so I'm going to see if there's something else I can exchange it for. But that is what I'm up to today, and then I'm going to the Artechouse later tonight. So I'm so excited for that. Alright, it's now later in the day, and I'm picking Alexa up some flowers.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna do these ones because she closed the deal today with work, and it just as like a little congratulations. And I just picked up some food, some sushi, so we're gonna eat this. And then I'm gonna get changed and head to John's to go to our little date at the museum. These are the flowers I ended up getting. These are actually so pretty. She likes her flowers. And she closed 2 deals. She's so smart. This is what we got for dinner. I got a little crush on my way home, but I get the tricolor platter and a miso soup, and I'm so excited to eat this. I love new miso.
I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind?
We had the best time at our tech house, and now we are going to bike home. We're taking the electric bike, so we should be there soon because these things fly through the city and nobody's out, so we're going to just bike home. Alright guys, so I just got to the apartment and it's honestly insane. I'm gonna show you a little tour, but if anyone's interested in moving to New York City, it's honestly prime time to do so in relation to the apartment prices. This specific complex is offering 4 months free on a 12-month lease, which is honestly unheard of in New York City. That's literally 1/3 of your rent is free. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the views are honestly immaculate in this apartment. It's so beautiful. I'm considering moving here myself. It's in Brooklyn, and I'm gonna show you around the apartment now. Okay, so here's the apartment. You walk in, and the first thing you see, I know it's not the first thing you want to see, but you do have a bathroom right here with a shower, if anyone cares. And another thing that's great about this apartment, which is a luxury in New York City, is it has a washer and a dryer, so you're not having to worry about going to the laundromat to get your clothes washed. You also have a nice coat closet right here where I've already put my jacket. And then let's get to the beautiful part of the apartment. There's also a closet right there, by the way. So look how beautiful this is. First of all, this is the kitchen. It's stunning. You have a floating island right here. And just look how beautiful that kitchen is. I mean, you don't see this in New York City, so I don't know if I'm sounding crazy, but this is insane. You can cook your breakfast right here in the morning, and you have this crazy view. You have floor to ceiling windows around the whole apartment, but it's a little cloudy out right now. But if you zoom in, which I'm going to do on my camera, you have a view of the entire skyline of New York City. Here is the balcony. You literally have this giant deck. You can't really see it right now, but you can see the Statue of Liberty all the way down there. And then you just have these crazy views of the entire city, the entire Brooklyn and Manhattan and the Statue of Liberty. And then this is one of the bedrooms. Look how beautiful. You can see the Statue of Liberty again. You have this pretty big room. This is way bigger than my room in Manhattan. And then you also have another bathroom here, which is nice. There's me. Then you walk into here and you have a nice little office space. So you can make this into a bedroom or an office. But right now it's an office, so it's perfect if you're a couple or you just want 2 rooms. And they have this Peloton here, which they said they would include in a couple apartments. And a giant walk-in closet, which would definitely be my space if I was living here. As I mentioned, it's perfect for couples, so if I was living with my boyfriend, I would definitely take the closet. And this is the apartment. It's just so beautiful. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little apartment tour. I'm obsessed with it. I'm making a TikTok here, and I honestly just want to move in myself. I'm considering it, but I'm gonna show you guys the roof deck in a second. But quickly just wanted to show you this apartment space. I'll link down how much it is and what the specifics are in the description below if anybody's interested. But look how beautiful it is, and I honestly just can't get over this view. Alright guys, so now I'm on the roof and I just need to show you the view. So this is the building obviously, and then you go to the roof deck and you have full buildings there. You have so many different views, which is what I love about this area. Statue of Liberty down there, and then you basically have 360 views. You have this landmark, I think it's called Hanover Square, and what the guy was telling me was that during the summer they have like the mats out and everything, but obviously when it's snowing during the winter it changes a little bit, and it's just so insane up here. So I just got back from my apartment tour and changed, as you can see, and as soon as I get home from being outside and wearing makeup, I like to take it off because I feel like I'm just so used to not wearing it now. I just hate the feeling of makeup on my face, so if I'm not doing anything, I just like to wash my face as soon as I get back. So I just got this Summer Fridays face wash, and this is just the Super Amino Gel Cleanser. So I'm gonna wash my face with this, and I'm gonna do some work, and then I'm gonna pack later tonight and make some lunch and stuff, so I'll just show you guys that. Nice and clean. All right, I forgot to record the process of making it, but this is my brunch. I have sourdough, my eggs with truffle salt, and then mozzarella and tomatoes, because I'm just trying to finish up some of the things I have in my fridge before tomorrow. I also just made myself a matcha because I'm a little bit tired today. And to make it, I just use this Vital Proteins Matcha Collagen Latte, which I love. It has 10 grams collagen per serving, and that's it. I just finished that overthrow and it was absolutely incredible per usual. It's always such a good workout, and whenever I'm stressed, it just feels so good to hit the bag and just get your stress out. So I just finished that, and now I am about to get a bike and head over to get some sushi again because I don't know why I've been craving it so much. And then I'm gonna go home, finish some work, pack, and go to sleep early hopefully, because we have to be up at, well, we have to leave my apartment at like 7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, which isn't that early, but it's just like a lot going on at once, and we probably have a long day tomorrow, so I want to get to bed early. So that's the plan for the night. I just got home, and one of the clients that I did an ad for on TikTok sent me this tequila, which is LeBron James's tequila company actually, because the video performed so well. How sweet is that? And we got some dinner, and I'm so excited to eat it. All right, dinner, we got the usual. Look how good that looks. It's just so delicious, and I feel like it's so inexpensive. It's like $21 for all of this, and my miso soup, of course, and it's so yummy. It's called New Mizu, and I highly recommend.